Did you know that vertical shorts thumbnails appear in YouTube search, your subscriptions feed, your channel homepage, and YouTube's homepage when you view it at youtube.com using the YouTube app? Adding a custom thumbnail to your shorts video will result in more clicks and views. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own vertical shorts thumbnail using a free online image editor called Canva. Link is in the description. Later, I'll show you how to select the correct frame for your shorts video when you upload it to YouTube using the YouTube app. I'll also show you the tips and tricks I use to create a clickable shorts thumbnail so you can get more views on your shorts video. Here's how to create a shorts thumbnail using Canva. Go to canva.com to sign up for a free account. After you've logged into your free account, click on Create a Design. Click on Custom Size, width 1080, height 1920 pixels. Click Create a New Design. On the left, you see a bunch of shorts templates which you can customize to your liking. Click on Elements. Here you've got arrows, lines, circles, squares. Click on Gradient. I'm going to choose this gradient. Expand it. Click on Text. You can choose from any of these suggested fonts. I recommend not using more than 3 words in your shorts thumbnail and make the text bold so it's easy to read when viewed from the phone. I'm going to select Graphic Design. If you want to get rid of any text, just click on it. Click Delete on the keyboard. Highlight again. Click Delete. I'm going to change that to white, so I'm going to highlight it. Click Text Color. It's white. I've got Create. Position your text at the top of your shorts thumbnail because if you place it at the bottom, it'll be obscured by your shorts title. Now I want to find a YouTube logo, so I'm going to put YouTube logo. There's YouTube logo, so I'm going to click on that. I'm going to move it over here. I click on the Create, copy and paste it. So I've got Create again, so I'm going to click Create Podcast. Now I've just got to add my photo. Click on Uploads, click Upload Files, click Podcast Image, click on the image and drag it onto your document. Then expand the image. Keep in mind, if you want to remove the background of an image, like a profile image of yourself, you can do that in a few clicks if you upgrade to Canva Pro. I'll place a link in the description. After you finish designing your image, click Share, click Download. You can download it as a PNG, or if you click the drop-down arrow, click JPEG, click Download. And here's my finished vertical shorts thumbnail. Make sure you add your vertical thumbnail to your short when you create it. So when you upload a short to YouTube, you can select that frame to choose as your shorts thumbnail. Here's how to choose the correct frame when you upload your short to YouTube. Tap the YouTube app, tap the plus sign, tap Create a Short, tap Add to add a shorts video that you've saved to your camera roll on your phone. Tap Done, tap the check mark, tap Next, tap the pencil icon, scroll through your shorts video to find the shorts thumbnail that you created. Here it is. Tap Done. Now I've selected the shorts thumbnail that I created previously. Caption your short, how to start a YouTube podcast in 2023. Select visibility, public, or you can schedule it, then tap Upload Short. Here's a short that I uploaded to YouTube containing my custom vertical shorts thumbnail. You can also see how the thumbnail will appear on your channel pages, recommendations on YouTube's homepage, on videos listed in the subscriptions tab, and in YouTube search results. The only place you won't see any thumbnails is in the shorts feed, where your shorts videos play automatically as viewers swipe through it. Here are some tips and tricks to remember when creating your shorts thumbnails. You can only choose a frame for your shorts thumbnail when you upload it to YouTube using the YouTube app. Unfortunately, you can't change your vertical shorts thumbnail after you've uploaded your shorts video to YouTube.
We don't have any plans to release the ability to upload fully custom thumbnails like on long-form videos, since the vast majority of shorts watch time comes from the feed where thumbnails are not shown.
Create a static thumbnail first, then edit it into a short before you upload it to YouTube. Even if your image only appears for a brief time on YouTube, it'll motivate viewers to click and watch your shorts video. Keep in mind, when viewers are scrolling your shorts feed on the mobile phones, they won't see your shorts thumbnail because the video starts playing automatically. Therefore, use a strong hook in the first few seconds of your shorts video so people will tap on it to watch the video. Track the performance of your shorts videos by clicking on the Content tab in YouTube Analytics. You'll be able to see how viewers found your shorts, the percentage of viewers that chose to view your shorts versus the percentage that swiped away. You can also see your top shorts that performed the best in the last 28 days. This shorts video received over 1,000 views within a few hours and got 1 of 10 in ranking by views. YouTube says, "Great job! More viewers chose to view and less swiped away." If you want to get even more views on your Shorts videos, watch the video on the screen right now on the secret to going viral on YouTube Shorts. You'll learn how to quickly identify the most engaging parts of long-form videos to make into a short.